Abraham Pig here with another Lotto lock. This one doesn't have any branding on the outside of the lock body, but I got it under the Induschoice brand off of Amazon. I got it because it has this interesting looking key with what looks like a middle track. But if we look in the keyway, we can see that that middle track is decorative. There are 2 rows of 5 wafers on the same side of the keyway, left and right, and nothing else. But aside from that, this is actually a pretty good lock. It's well built, it's key retaining, ball bearing locking mechanism, and I have not been able to rake or bully this lock. I have had to SPP it, and my success has been very variable. Sometimes I've been able to get it in as little as 3 minutes, but often I have to take 5 minutes or longer to open it up. So I'm using a thin Z-bar for tension on the opposite side of the keyway from the wafers, and a medium hook in 25 thousandths. And I am going to pick European style with the pick tip facing down, because I want to avoid leveraging off of the tensioner and creating a false sense of counter rotation in the core. There's not really a lot of great feedback in this lock. All the pins feel, well, wafers feel a little bit mushy. So the last couple of opens I've had, I've actually had to, I think I've probably overset some of them and had to use the pick to sort of rake them back down and then re-pick them to get an open. Okay, I think it's about time to try that raking. Alright, and back to the SPP. Pins on the right all feel set, but just something just unset itself. Alright, let's try raking again. And there we go. Alright, since I can't disassemble this lock for you, it's sealed at the factory, I think this is it. Thank you for watching.